everyone, myself Priyavrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So guys, in our one of our previous video, we discussed about the Re-Level Job Tournament 2021, where more than 50 companies are hiring for various job profiles, and the freshers as well as the experienced candidates can apply for the various job profile through this tournament. And here your qualification background, your branch or your percentage in BTech 10th or 12th does not matter. Here only one thing matter is your skill. So I am inviting all of you because here the registration process closes on 22 June 2021. Today is the 18th June. So I am requesting all of you, please participate here because the salary package for various job profiles is high. So maximum you can earn or salary will be getting up to 35 LPA or 35 lakh per annum. The salary will be. So now let's go through their website. Yeah, one more thing, in this video we have discussed about the eligibility, the selection process, how to participate, what will be the pattern, what will be the syllabus, etc. Everything we have discussed. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video because I do not want to go through the same thing again and again. So here I'll be repeating or mentioning few things here which is very much important because they have changed certain things here that you need to know about before attending this off campus through this platform. So now let's go through their platform quickly. So here the register now option is there, view all jobs. So before discussing about the various job profiles, now let's see about the various companies are there, who are hiring through this platform. So yeah, one more thing they have changed here. So if you are getting job or a placement through their platform, your registration amount will be totally refunded to you. It's a very good thing here. So now let's see what are the different companies or the various companies are available here through this platform. Urban Company, Upgrade, 1MG, Small Case, Lido, Rojope, etc. Coordination, Rapido, many companies are there. ESCO, many companies are there hiring through this platform. And as we discussed earlier, they have huge openings, more than 500 to 1000. It varies actually because they have huge openings here. And yeah, three different job profiles are there, like business development and front end development and the back end development. Three different categories of job are available here. So now let's see what are the different job profiles are there. So for the back end, they are like companies like Cred, etc. So let's pick one company and see what are the requirements they have. So as we all know that it's a medium sized company, maximum 500 employees are there, and salary they are providing 14 LPA to 38 LPA. So here the freshers can also apply and the experienced candidates can apply. There is no restriction at the percentage criteria. If you see here, there is nowhere they have mentioned, because these companies always pay attention to the skills. So you can showcase your skills as per your skills or experience. Your salary will be getting. It does not matter whether you belong to the mechanical background or civil background or electrical background or any other background or non-IT background. Here only one thing matters: if you belong to the computer science background even, and you do not know any programming skill, or you are not that much good, then salary will not be getting that much. But if you are skilled enough and if you belong to the mechanical engineering or any other non-IT background, also you will be getting very high package because skill matter here. So here required skills like Python, problem solving, Ruby and JavaScript, etc. These things are required here. HDL or LLD, HDL, that means data loading concept, it is here. So this is all about the Cred. So now let's discuss about another company. Let's take like Small Case, suppose. Just a second. Yeah. So suppose this company, if you see here, the employees up to 5000 employees they have, and CTC will be getting 2 LPA to 7 LPA. So it varies as per the profile you are applying for. Here this is all about the front end development and Angular, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Freshers can also apply for this off campus, and the job location is Bangalore here. So there are many companies are there hiring through this off campus or through this platform or through this tournament. Just you need to register yourself in their platform, and then from the 26th June there will be an online assessment. Then they will be providing you the placement support or assistance. So yeah, so this is the whole process: registration, then challenge will be there, or the test or the written test will be there on 26th June. Then advanced challenge or a technical round will be there, experienced interviewers test, and ensure your clear minimum cutoff. There is a minimum cutoff we have already discussed in the previous video. That means in this video we have discussed about the cutoff etc. for each and every round or selection process. So then result announcement will be happening. Then from the first week of July the placement will be started, and after placement, if you are getting the after attending or opting for the placement service, and if you are being placed, then they will be returning you their registration amount. For the registration process, they are charging 1999, that means 2000 approximately, you can say. But there is a link and there is a coupon code here that we are sharing here with you. For 10% discount will be getting, everyone will be getting, the coupon code is HTE10. Let me write somewhere. I'll be putting the coupon code here, HTE10. So this is the coupon code. So I'll be putting this coupon code as well as this registration link in the description of this video. And yeah, one more thing, I never promote, or you can say I never advertise any platform like but this time we are requesting all of you to join, because here this thing doesn't matter. If you see here carefully, they have not specified anything like whether you belong to the mechanical engineering, you must belong to the BE BTech background, or you must belong to the 2019 or 2020 pass out. Even if you see carefully here, they have not mentioned anything about the experience, because skill matters here. If you are joining their company, if you are not able to do your work properly, then your skill or your background or qualification etc. doesn't matter. So you must be having minimum requirement or minimum skill you must be having. So I am requesting all of you, there is no barrier, you can apply for n number of companies. So I am requesting all of you, you can showcase your skills here. It's a good platform or right platform to showcase your skills, because if you see any other platforms, there are many platforms are there. I do not want to point out any platform. So but if you see in every platform, they mention BE BTech, CSE, CSE or ECE candidates are eligible, but here they have not mentioned anything. Yeah, salary you may get 1 LPA less as compared to the other candidates or CSE background candidate, but it does not matter. In fact, you are getting a job with a very good salary package. So I am requesting all of you to apply or register for this tournament or job fair before 23rd June 2021. So if you have any doubt regarding this tournament, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below, or you can reach us through the Telegram or email address that we have provided, and I'll be putting this link in the description. Go through the description and apply for this tournament. So thank you for watching, and all the best for your job search.